There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome to the Developer Insights call Monday. All right, hold on real quick. Let me just respond to the chat real quick. Letting everybody know the time frames. All right, we do these calls every Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern and every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern. All right, trying to adjust the time frames to account for those who may be in different time zones. All right, so this call is to go over anything arrow, red light, green light, or market makers trend. All right, quick update here. We're getting ready to start testing this week. Red light, green light, expert advisor. All right, so we'll be looking to launch that next month, to the public. It will be trading gold and oil. All right. Outside of that, this call is to go over anything about those three products. Again, nothing. The only update is about red light, green light. All right. So who here is new and needs help getting set up? Yes, there was a soft launch group that started a couple months ago, but we will have another group, and we will go through the new protocols to make sure everything's ready. So we'll have a third-party person, take a look at the software, make sure everything's good to go, and then we will test out with another group. It'll be a shorter test because we already had a test, all right? But we will have another test. All right. So USA 100 is not recognized as NAS 100. Foreign Exchange Clearinghouse Broker. Never heard of that broker before, but I will. I'll take that down and get that added. Should be good, but if not, all right, take a look at it. Never heard of that broker. Interesting broker. Interesting. And again, NAS 100 just was added as the latest pair to trade. I sent out a message to the group before we released it, asking for naming conventions for NAS 100. Received a few, but not as many as needed. So there may have been a few brokers missed. We'll get that added. No worries. All right. If anybody needs help getting set up, definitely speak now. If not, then what we can do is, I can answer any other questions you guys may have, any other advanced questions. or we can just call it quits, and everybody can go back to living life. I see US 30 finally sold off, like we talked about. I was expecting for it to buy up just a little bit more before it sold off, but I see it sold off as well as did Nas. Nobody has anything? All right, good. All right, so you set up just last Thursday? Okay. Good to go. Just let it run now. Let it run. It was a slow week last week. Didn't take many trades. I didn't get very many trades. I think on one broker at the prop firm account that we're going through the trial phase with, we only got 3 or 4 trades for the whole week. And that was at the beginning of the week. And then on my hedge fund account, I may have got 5 trades because that account can trade I got 8 trades because that account can trade Nas. So slow week last week. I will tell you once red light, green light is out, we're going to go back and look at US 30 and Nas. US 30 is fine, but just, seeing it there, it's a little slow. And as active as US 30 is, it should be trading more. So we're going to go back and relook at that. Nas, we're going to go back and relook at definitely because it's not what we like it to be. So we'll be going back to relook at Nas 100. What other indicators can you use with Nas 100? Best time to use red light, green light. All depends on, let me go open up the charts real quick. All depends on what you're trading. So the Michael, what do you trade? Let me pull my chart up here. I recommend it if it's a volatile, you want to use a lower time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute. So like your indices and gold and oil. If it's non-volatile, then you use higher time frames, like your forex pairs. You might want to use like the 15-minute, 1 hour, things of that nature. USD JPY only. USD JPY only. Interesting. All right, so let's pull up USD JPY. All right, we'll speak to your pair specifically. All right, of course, you want to use both. If you red light, green light, and arrow, I'd recommend. All right, there's both if you have it. If you don't, it's not a worry. All right, indicators list. We'll take arrow off. All right, and you see that red light, green light has been doing very, very well for the last. Let me pull this out so I can see it here. It's been green light and been giving buys all week. Today it gave out a nice buy. 15 pip pullback, ran up 45 pips. Earlier, gave a nice buy. That one just for the day ran up 82 pips. That one right there was a nice runner. 38 pips. Of course, it kept going. This one was beautiful here. 115 pips. Winner, dip, winner. All right, so great right there. All right, it's been buying for a while. A couple losses right here, right after the news, and then it corrected itself. So depending on your stop loss, definitely have multiple winners here. This is a 15-minute time frame, all right, on forex pairs, and then I also recommend the hour time frame on forex pairs. So if you like to take longer trades, you got an hour, and you see there, beautiful setup. That last buy. All right. On the hour was a great one. All right. What can you use with it? Yeah, I don't know what how you trade it. Let's see here. Jackie has talked about the 50 moving average. She says this is a very, very good. So we'll come in here, the 50, and she used the 50 smooth. All right. And so if you're, all right, buying above the 50 smooth and selling below, then you're good to go. You can see on the H1 that it keeps you out of a lot of trades. So let's go back and look. If you buy above, you see that buy, closed above, 421 pips. That's the trade QB Stu has been in and turned his $500 account into 70,000. You can see selling below, dropped 76 pips. Selling below, dropped 120 pips. Buying above, ran up 87 pips. Selling below, dropped 31 pips. That buy was right above it. Ran up 74 pips. Selling below, beautiful. That one dropped 611 pips. Buying above, it was below, so you don't buy. Sell below, that drop right there, 78 pips. Buy above, get the drift, 62 pips. We haven't lost a trade following Jackie's strategy of buying above, selling below. All of them went at least 25 pips or more. I'll take it back. We did take a loss here. I didn't see this one here. Buy above, that one dropped 90 pips. You're only up like 7. So 1 win, 2 win, you're 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7 and 1. That one, no entry because it's below. 8 and 1, 9 and 1. That was a sell, but it's above. That was a buy. It's above. Winner. That's 10 and 1. Sales above, don't take it. It's a buy and above, winner. Sell and below, loser. So that's 12 and 2. That's a buy above, winner. Sell below. So the last 16 trades, you only lost 2. That's on the H1. That's on the H1. Yep, on the H1. Go to 15 minutes, see if you can't get some more entries. Got to sell below here. Drop 10 pips. Not really a winner. For me, he's got to hit at least 20 pips. 20 pips, I think, is a good goal. That's a loser. Loser, loser. Big winner. Loser. Big winner. Big winner. Nice winner. Winner. So we go back and take a look here. 0 and 1, 0 and 2, 0 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. Boom. 1 and 5, 1 and 6. I'm sorry. 3 and 4 now. 4 and 4, 5 wins. Nope, that's above. That sells above. So you missed all that. That's all good. No entry. That buys below, no entry. Both of these sales below. So that's 2 more winners. So now you're 7 wins, 4 losses. Sales above, it don't count. Sales below. Dropped 12 pips. Went back 38. So loser. 75. That ran 26. 8 wins, 5 losses. That's a winner. 9, 10 and 5. Boom. Right above. 11 and 5. 155 pips. 12 and 5. 13 and 5. 14 and 5. This one right here probably lost. Yeah. 18 pips. 15 and 6. No entry because it's below. Clear winner, 19-6, clear winner, clear winner. I mean, it's had a little more losses, but you're the last 28 trades. Let's go 30 trades. Let's make it around. Boom, boom. 30 trades, 31 trades. So literally in the last 31 trades, you had 25 winners and 6 losers. So what Jackie talked about, utilizing red light, green light with the 50 smooth is probably your best bet. And the more you learn about trading, the more you learn that, yeah, we're in an uptrend and we're not taking these sales, and you'd have left those alone. But yeah, that's it. That's what I look for. So I mean, for me, forex pairs, 15-hour time frame. I mean, if you go to a 30-minute, let's go ahead. Less trades, but I mean, you see a lot of winners, nice winners, even on 30 minutes. So I'd say for forex pairs, 15 minutes and up. Anything else that's more volatile, your crypto, your indices, and all that, are lower time frames. But you want a USD/JPY, and like I said, that 50 smooth, beautiful. All right. I made 200 in it using red light, green light. Can I use red light, green light only? Yeah, if that's all you want to use is red light, green light, yeah. Like I said, put that 50 smooth on there. If you want, to help yourself in additional confirmation. Lately, what has been performing best between EA, red light, green light, and MMT? So red light, green light hasn't been out yet. So right now, just market maker. TP is different. So what I do with you, the Michael, what I'd say is go back, if you like the 50 smooth, put the 50 smooth on there and go back and see, on average, go back for the last few months or as far back as your chart will take you, and see that when you get a buy or sell, so buy above the 50 smooth or sell below the 50 smooth, how many pips does it go? And then average that out. And then do the same thing for the ones that lose and see how many pips they go the wrong way. And then add those together and average those out. And then you'll kind of get an average. It may come out and you may see that, all right, for the last 3 months, if I do a 28 pip stop loss and a 38 pip take profit, that's the best, that's the average that that you've seen. That way you got a positive risk to reward, things of that nature. All right. So that is what I'd say. I'll let the Michael dropped off. So the Michael, I was just answering your last question as far as take profit and stop loss. What you want to do is go back over the last few months and look to see how many pips price has gone the wrong way. All right. And then when you do get a buy or sell that does win, add them all up to see how many, the average, how many pips. So if you see that, hey, the average number of pips that it loses is 28, and let's say the average winner is 38 pips, then that is what you want to set for your, take profit, stop loss. That's something I do. So that you get an idea. Make sure that your risk reward ratio is positive. Teddy, you can put red light, green light on oil. Not really sure why you want me to do it. If you got it, go ahead and put it on oil. Putting on oil is just take the arrow off. I'm on a 5 minute, and we will come up here and we will put we'll put Jackie's 50 smooth on there. All right. And let's go take a look at it. I like the 5 minute and the 1 minute for oil. We'll look at the 5 minute right now, see how that goes. Well, today, clear winner, dropped 240 pips. All right, looks like we got a loser right here. Got a loser right there. For me, I'm gonna count winners on oil, at least 20, everything at least 20 pips. That goes 7, loser. So you 1 and 1. Oh, look at this. 114, winner. This one right there, that shot up. 33, winner. It's 3-1 now. Uh-oh, another winner. That one ran 94, 4-1. This one was a loser. Dropped 8, 4-2. This one was a winner. Dropped 58, 59, 5-2. This one was a winner. Dropped 105, 6-2. This one right here would have been a winner. Dropped 22, 7-2. Winner. Ran up 64. Winner. Loser. 37. Winner. Winner. That one dropped 83. Just 3 losing trades out of the last 13, so you're 10-3 now. That one's a beast of a winner. You just kept falling. 11-3, 12-3. This one right here, 68 pips winner. That's a loser. So 13-3, 13-4, 13-5, 15-5, 16-5, 17-5, 18-5, 19-5, 20-5. Like, all right, that's it. Last 25 trades, 20 wins, 5 losses on oil. All right. 50 smooth. All right. Anybody else? Trade with the trend till it ends. Nice. All right. Not bronze with red light green comes with silver, correct? No, if you have a bronze, you can get red light green light all by itself. With bronze, you can switch and have one product at a time. That's what bronze allows you to do. So if you want just red light green light, then switch over to bronze. Switch over to red light green light. What trend logic am I using? That's proprietary. Can't tell you that one. Can't tell you that one. That's part of the strategy. Yep, silver gives you at least 2. Silver is the most common package that every customer has. Most customers have at least the average customer has a silver package. That way you get 2. So if you want, what is the optimized trend logic for our red light, green light? I'm not telling you the trend logic. I can't tell you the optimized trend logic. So you guys will get it when you get it when it goes live. So no, trend logic is not going to be told for red light, green light. Now, if we decide to go with trend time frames, we'll let you know what that is. But as far as the logic, just like market maker, I don't tell anybody the logic as well. So, you may know the trend time frames it uses, but as far as the logic, no. The trend time frame for red light, green light is the 4-hour. That's all I can tell you. That's the time frame it uses right now. With the EA, we're looking to, of course, make the trades even that much better. Or I guess we see it's pretty accurate, as you guys just saw. All right. The gold is what? And again, I'll show you on gold too. So oil looks really smooth. All right. Let's take a look at gold. All right. Let's go take a look at gold. Metals, gold, 5-minute. Off, and then we'll add on the 50 smooth. And like Jackie talked about, I mean, you know, on the 5-minute, sheesh, look at that gold trade. 140 pips, winner. This one right here, drop 5, pull back 34, and we'll call that one a loss. So 1 and 1, don't even need to count those. That's gold, so you know those are winners. I mean, we can go count them, but pull back 10 on you, then drop to 36, winner, 2 and 1, and right there, 48 pips, 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one, these 3 right here got real close. Did we get 20 out of them? Got 17. We'll call it a loser. So we'll call it 17-3. For those 2 losing. This one right here got 18 pips. We'll call it a loser too. 17-4. This one right here, 32 pips. 18-4. Got a sale right here. Drop 31, 19-4. Sale right here. Pull back. Yeah, we'll call it 19-5. 19-6. 20-6. This one right here. Drop 27, so we'll call that a winner. 21-6. This one right here. Drop 17, pull back. We'll call that a loser. What was that, 20-7? Winner, winner. 22-7. This one's going to be close. Yeah, 12 pips, we'll call it a loser. 22-8. That's a winner, 40. So, winner, 10. 10 losses. I want to go back to get 10 losses. So, it looks like we got 24 wins, 10 losses. So, not bad. And you can see most of the winners were big winners, more than 20 pips to make up for those losers. All right. So, that's what we're trying to finalize right now is getting the trend logic. I'm not trend logic. We're trying to get the right ratio of stop loss to take profit. All right. As well as profit locks and taking partials and things of that nature. That way we make the most profitable results. So gold and oil looking pretty good. All right. Anybody else got anything? Questions, comments? None? All right. Well, in that case, we will call it a day. I appreciate everybody jumping on. Red light, green light, EA come in next month with gold and oil. I believe we're either going to launch with both or we'll launch with gold first and then add oil shortly after. Trying to launch both at the same time. And then when 2.04 version comes out with market maker, it'll just have the updated information for NAS for those brokers who can't trade it. And then I think we're going to add a notification so that it notifies you if you have trades after 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. That way you're aware. And if you don't want to hold trades over the weekend or the prop firm you're using doesn't let you, then you can close those trades out. All right. I don't have an exact date. My goal is next month. All right. So we'll see. I don't have an exact date as of right now, though. All right. So as always, I appreciate everybody jumping on. If you're going to trade, make sure to trade responsibly. And I will see you guys in the funny papers. Thanks.